Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. So we're going down the list of stuff right here: bars, leaks, high mileage engine repair, guaranteed to seal and stop leaks, plus restores performance, increases compression and horsepower, adds protection, stops leaks, noises, and smoking to dual action. If you guys have this, definitely let me know whether this has helped your situation out with your issues with your car. It's like 12 bucks, 13 bucks. That's pretty much what it's selling at, like everywhere, I'm pretty sure. But if you guys have used this for whatever issues you guys have, blown gasket, maybe it doesn't say blown gasket, but all these conditions are actually kind of like the conditions you would have of a blown gasket. But I've used bars leak stuff before for power steering. Never used bars leaks for like engine gasket issues, compression issues, and stuff like that. So I couldn't really drop a hint as to whether this is decent or not. But it's being sold at Walmart, and I gotta tell you, I've used this other stuff before, rice loan stuff, and they're pretty decent. The bars leaks with my power steering was like 50% gone anyway, so it wasn't, nothing would have helped that. But in any case, this has helped you guys out. Definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is good or not. Let us know whether this has actually benefited the issues that you've had. Yeah, guys, drop a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time. If this has helped you guys out, you know what, to be honest with you, I highly doubt that something like this would actually last quite a bit, but who knows. If it has for you, definitely leave a comment in the comment section, right? Take care.